Yes, it's a nice one.
You better face the camera. Okay. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah,
Good
yeah,
morning.
good morning. So today we are here to discuss about English for soft skills, English and soft skills for job seekers. You know, this course is really good, especially for the persons who are ready to get into employment. And what are the essential qualities they must know if they want to be a successful employee or a responsible employee in a particular company or a particular place. Yes, you can speak.
As Mara, in this course, first we learn in three areas. First one is case study with senior and self analysis, and preparing for assessment and preparing for interview. In these areas, we learn to from ESJS course.
And all these three areas are pretty good. And Durga Prasad, do you want to say anything?
This goes for the soft skills. Any companies, any best soft skills, interview and HR interview, our improvement in the skills development, and mostly importance of the soft skills of development. Yeah, yeah. He said that while we facing the interview, we must know the communication skills very well. While facing the interview, we must know the soft skills. Soft skills is nothing but we how we present ourselves to others politely.
Yeah.
And
As Prasad, this course we use it to AI apps like Playground, Remaster, our yeah, improved our communication skills, interview skills, soft skills.
Yes, you mentioned Wayground and Remaster, right?
Remaster.
Actually, I've been with a demo session with Remaster where the AI, artificial intelligence, the trending topic right now in this entire 2 decades, 2 years.
yeah,
So there'll be some artificial person who will interview you. It's not like fixed questions. The questions will be what you speak. For example, if I say that I'm pretty good at theory of machines,
yes,
the AI will listen to it and will ask questions based upon it. There'll be no fixed questions will be asked to each and everyone. So which is really good for a person who want to take multiple interviews, mock interviews. And with all this, do you have any other things to say?
first would writing for the resume first for
Yeah.
anything the HR interview and skills. First of all, preparing the resume and CV and mails.
Yeah, resume. Yes, it is important.
Yes, resume is very important. What we have learned in our 4 years of journey,
And complete
it
this.
displays on our resume only. And we had some most of the, for example, we had step test we did on
Yes.
last year. No.
Any completed
Mm.
courses we added in
So we'll-
resume.
Mm.
So that it will be easy for the person. So it will be easy for a quick analysis. What are the courses he had done in the past, and how capable he is. So resume
One
will
strengths and
They know,
yeah, strengths and weaknesses.
yeah, they know our eligibility, the eligibility also. If you are eligible to that company or not, it's shown on the resume only.
Yeah, so it's with this, all your information is pretty good, and you do have a great knowledge about this English and soft skills for job seekers. With all this, I would like to conclude this. All the mentions you have mentioned resume. You have mentioned you have to interact with the senior. All these things which are really crucial for us to be
Yes.
perfect in this. And thank you, Gayatri. Thank you, Durga Prasad, and thank you, Prasad.
Thank you,
And
Maria.
yeah, thank
Thank
me
you,
as.
Maria.
Yeah, with this, I would like to conclude. Okay, let's go. Let's wait for this other sub team to come in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, this is a team sub team two. We have to discussing about English and soft skills of job seekers. Let us discuss about this course. We have to know first what is the course. This course is mainly used for the getting job for interviews. How to prepare our CV, curriculum vitae, and uh, how to groom and how to dressing and what is the main main thing is the how you are present in the interviews. This will be most, and this is the content of this course. Yes.
Okay, so for these English and job seekers, we must prepare for the interviews. The main motive is that we how we give interviews to HR. So there is a mock interviews. So we on practice on it.
Yes,
So how we interview give, how what is things are there, how we can communicate with HR. So these are things are in mock interviews. So if you give mock interviews, they will give some feedback. So what is good at you and what is bad, and what is improving yourself. So they will give some suggestions. So then you give regularly means sometimes you give regularly mock interviews. You get good at interview. So we get confident also in real life situation. For suppose we go for a one job interview. So we in previous days you daily you can practice it. So we get some confidence, and you know how to give interview, and how we communicate with the HR and how you impress them. So then that is things you are learning in mock interview. So we can directly apply on the real life. So we there is a chance to get job in these 4 years. In these 4 years we can study it in this college. So if you go for an interview, so in these 4 years, what we learn, we can easily express to HR. So how we can explain in a short term, we can learn also in mock interview. So this is how I learn in this course. So we
Yes,
can
Kumar,
go ahead.
tell me about that one.
Yes, in 4 years, you can use the in this course. It can use you have go to interviews. You can use the face it your interviews first. First you can face it yourself in 4 years, but you can finally you can go the interviews. You can face the real you. Yes.
yes. In this job seekers course, we have to learn how to go for interviews or how to talk with our communication skills and how to prepare our resume or curriculum vitae or and how to talk with HR and we have to interact our seniors and learn what is the main process and what we have to do in that interviews or how to get job.
Yes. Let us conclude this topic. The ESJS main concluding is uh, we are hardworking 4 years of BTech life, but in the interview they only present only 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, we have to present yourself very effectively. In that 10 minutes, will value for the 4 years of hard work. In the 10 minutes you perform well, you getting job, but you are not confident, less confident, and your CV is not preparing well. Your hard work is lost. That is the
So
main content.
Siva said we go and interact with seniors.
Yes.
So this is also one main thing. So if you go, seniors will already go to interviews and he's facing what the problems is. So we give the mock interviews in system in front of system. So we don't give directly. So seniors will give directly to HR. So they will know how to face. So we can take some suggestions for seniors. That is also a good thing.
In the
So
team 3, sub team 3 will continue the next.
Hi, this is Team 3, Sub Team 3. We are here to discuss about the intro presentation on the ESJS lab. In this course, we have to learn many new things, and we try to how we are going to get our job, and what are the steps that are taken necessary to get the job. And yes, there are some few things that we all have to do when you are trying to get a job, like looks that matter very good in the job, and facing interview is not a small thing, and doing the stuff in front of all the people might get you embarrassed, but you have to face that all the things and keep going to get the job.
As Ramesh, what are you telling is absolutely right. For this course, we should learn how we should go to interview and what should we answer to them and what the process they will ask and all the sequences we should learn from this lab.
The way of you getting a job to establish your to interact with your seniors to ask some ask their collaboration of working in a team and their participation of
As in this course, we have to have an interaction with our seniors and writing assessment and interview assessment. We have to do the all three things in this lab so that we can achieve our good communication skills and good soft skills to get a job.
Yes, job seekers, according to job seekers, lab is first introduction yourselves and get your job to introduce your HR round to tell about yourselves and etc. First, you confidence, build your confidence, and firstly, main your skill development and communications and group discussions and etc. In this course, firstly, case study and introduce yourselves and
First, we have to should know what purpose of in ESJS lab. Firstly, interact with seniors, how improve with communication skills, how to interact with the HR rounds, how to improve self confidence.
Yes, we'll get a feedback from our seniors what they have done
yes.
in the previous session,
Yes.
and they will guide them to the next step.
to ask them to the way of the seniors are established their interviews and they're getting a job to
The mistake they have done.
First stage
How
is
faces experience to her.
The main thing is the lab is to while we are going to an interview,
facing
To get ready ourselves from
to
the
get ready ourselves and pure dress code and this lab
Dress
is says
code,
that
yeah.
all everything and
so in this lab we can learn that
So
small detail
useful
things are very important, like looks with
yes, before
proper
going to
looks
an
and-
interview, what the things we should be done. This lab will say all of that.
in the final you get your job. Final stage is HR round to dress code and soft skills and communications will must which check it. So in this lab to useful to final HR round to get your job in final year.
we'll also get to improve our soft skills like adaptability and taking initiative in the group with other teams and leadership qualities. These are all the top soft skills we have to enhance our in this lab.
Yes.
Yes,
the way of you interact with your teammates, that your communication skills, the your presentation with your team and team members, that way you will consider the getting a job to your
for some good job we should guide. We should have some guidelines of our seniors and our trusted peoples like our parents. We should have some guidelines from them, and then we can get a good job.
Yes, in you get your job in go to company. First group discussions will there. So in BTech year, in BTech life, according to English lab, you will in English lab to listen to English lab to useful to your job.
Just to conclude with this, this lab is mainly focused on how to get our career goals successfully
Yes.
get, and to train our soft skills and job scaling learns. So we are going to train our and enhance our skills and how to get our jobs here. This in this lab, it is the main fact that we are going to work on it, and
Yes, Ramesh.
we will definitely try to work in it.
Confidence level will build and the stage fear is less.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.
G means GD, GD1, GD2, GD3, okay, GD4. R means your resume. You have to
I'd like to tell my reflection about the ESJS course. Mainly, this course focuses on our soft skills and job seeking skills. What are soft skills? Everything which will help in our daily life, such as helping others, collaborating with your teammates, or maintaining a good rapport with your teammates, leading them or supporting them. These all comes under soft skills. And coming to job seeking skills, there are many job seeking skills which will help us through this course. First, I'd like to ask Chandrasekhar about this course.
ESJS skills course is more important for job interviews. While entering the job interview, it is more important to speak in a job interviews. It gives a more skills while going for a job. What about you, Hari?
Excellent. Like you go to interview for getting, you go to starting the job. First you writing a CV resume. Your first impression is the best impression. To taking a job first, and a lot of grammar. You're talking to speech, and more confident about your job interview. What about you?
In my perspective, ESG skills are very essential for our life because we improve our skills and our life management and our personal growth. So, because of software skills, improve our social activities and more confidence to ourselves. So, we improve our ESG skills.
English for English for soft skills and job seekers, which is the best, the improving to enhance our skills to build the passions in software.
This skill not only focuses on our job seeking skills, this also mainly focuses on our grooming and what do we need to get a job or to succeed an interview. It all helps us there. It also deals with some case interviews, like for example, we like to study something, and how do we need to talk to our seniors, whether they are in a, whether they are students or whether they are professors who are seniors to us. How will we talk with them? It mainly focuses on those skills, and other than that, it also focuses on building your resume properly, which will be the main part of your life, main part of you to get a job, because resume plays a crucial role in the interview. So it'll help us to gain some confidence. It'll help us to gain a job if we have a good resume. What do you think, Hari?
CHS course is the learning to improve a lot of base skills to improve the enhance our grammar, speech, and vocabulary to and help to job interview in crack in software.
Yes.
The self-confident and the self-analysis, which is the best course in ISJS course.
Yes, it includes a lot of grammar and vocabulary. Nowadays, without communication, software skill job is nothing. So everyone should practice software skills and communication skills, and we improve our ESG skills. Job seekers are without communication is nothing.
Yes, I agree to Venkatesh. What do you all think? Because communication skills are very important in getting job or into surviving a job also. Because without any communication, we will fail in the interview round, or even though we'll somehow manage to get a job, we'll fail in surviving the job. So communication skills are very important. It also focuses on the writing skills also.
As like this, not only study, you want to learn other skills which are important to the job interviews or other purposes. You want to learn more skills which are important for other.
Yes, I got your point, Chandrasekhar. You're exactly right, because learning something related to your subject is good, but you have to learn something else, gaining some skills on your communication skills, or else anything other than the subject. You have to gain some skills to get a job or to survive a job. So ESJS will provide the foundation for us to get a job and to help us survive a job. It will help us to improve our communication skills and our resume building skills and our grooming styles, whatever. It'll help us to survive a job and get a job. So what else do you think?
While you go to other states or other companies, they check what you study or what you gain. They do not check. They check the how you are performing your skills or other.
Yes, I agree in Chandrasekhar's statement. In learning English is not for the job because we go to our other states, we manage our English, because English is a universal language. How we all know our English.
So I like to conclude that English is not only required for our personal development; it is also required for us to get a job also. Because for some companies there are some international clients which we'll have to deal with. So if we have some good communication skills, it will help us to gain some knowledge, and it will help us to get a job, and it will help the company itself to gain more clients internationally. So learning English and having some soft skills also plays a crucial role in getting a job. So I think this course will help us to get a job in our final year. Let's see how well we'll do it.
Yes, I think this course is very crucial, and this is our last course for the month.
Yeah, this is our last course in our English lab, so
So we
maybe
work
it will
very
help us to get a job, and we'll end this in a satisfactory mark.
Yes, Jagdish.
Thank you.
Thank you.